guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I greatly appreciate you being here. And I just want to start out this video by saying, excuse my voice because I am sick. I normally only get sick like once or twice a year at max, but this year, like the very end of 2017 and the beginning of this year, it's been rough. Like, I've been sick like 5 or 6 times and it is not okay. I'm pretty sure y'all all aware that the flu is spreading like wildfire and it's actually killing people, and it is scary. So I'm praying that what I have is just a little cold or bug or something less serious than the flu, because I don't have time for that. Anyway, spray too much Lysol. Anyways, but aside from flu season being deathly upon us, there's also Valentine season. I'm just kidding. And considering I use a lot of red glitter during the Christmas season, I thought I'd kick off this Valentine season with some pink, and a lot of it. I first saw the lovely Miss Nikita Dragun do these heart freckles, and y'all, I kind of lived for it. Like, I'm still living for it. Obviously, I did my eyeshadow different than hers, my lips are a different shade of pink, and my freckles are even laid out a lot differently. But I did just want to give credit to the person who originally inspired me to do this. And yeah, while this is not a look that you may wear out to the grocery store, although some of you might, and that is perfectly okay, I am here for it. It is still so cute and so fun to do. I mean, y'all, makeup is art. It's Valentine's season. Let's just get creative, play with color, and have fun. What do you say? So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Ooh, her lips are dry. Alright, y'all, I am sick, so you have to excuse my 40-year-old man voice, but we will survive. So starting out, just to make it easier and to save a little bit of time, I already have my foundation on and eyebrows as well. So jumping straight on into my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with this bad boy today. This is the Morphe 35B palette, and just look at all those beautiful colors. I'm gonna be starting out with this bright pink shade right here. I'm just gonna put that all over my crease. Next, I'll be going in with these two light pink shades right here. I'm just going to be mixing the two together and placing them all the way across my lid. And then for my outer V, I'm just going to be going in with this purplish magenta shade right here. And then just to deepen it up just a little bit more, I'm actually going to go down and grab this darker burgundy shade as well. I'm just going to kind of focus that right there on the outer corner only. And for my lower lash line, I'm actually going to go right back into this darker maroon shade right here. I'm just going to start working that all the way across. Alright, now really fast, I'm going to pop on some liquid liner and some lashes. And actually really fast, before I put on my lashes, I'm going to take some of this NYX liquid crystal liner. This is in the shade Crystal Pink. I'm actually just going to run one little strip of this into my crease, kind of like I'm carving it out. Kind of like that. And with these are awesome. You do have to go over them a couple times depending on how glittery you want it, but that's okay with me. And you see how it kind of just, I love it. Now for some lashes. Alright, so our eyes are pretty much complete now, so it's time to move on to the rest of the face. So for my concealer today, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Tan Sand. And then just to set that, y'all already know, I'm gonna be going in with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. For contour today, I'm gonna be dipping back into my It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'll be going in right here with this middle shade called Mocha. For blush today, there's nothing new here. This is my Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two pink shades right here. I'm going to mix them together, and that's what I'm going to use for my blush today. Alright, and so for my highlight today, in this blush palette that I used, it has these two kind of pink, icy, iridescent blushes. But to me, I think they can be used as a highlighter. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the two of those and try to use that as a highlight since it is pink. And let's just try that and see what happens. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay. I'm also going to take those same two shades and use that to highlight my inner corner as well. Alright, now it's time for the main attraction, the heart freckles. Now, these are inspired by the lovely Nikita Dragun. She done hers all the way across, like even on her nose. I don't think I'm going to do that today. I think I'm just going to kind of keep mine more on the cheek area here. I'm just going to have to kind of play with it, and whatever happens, happens. But the two colors that I'm going to be using today for my freckles, I have a light shade and a dark shade. So for my light shade, I'm going to be going in with this Ulta Beauty lip aligner, and it's in the shade Fresh. It's kind of like a light mauve pink shade. And then for the darker pink, I'm going to be going in with this Kylie matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Head Over Heels. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. I'm going to be going in with this thin brush right here. I'm just going to use that to draw some hearts on. So here we go. So here we are, and I definitely lied. I did decide to go ahead and put some on the nose just because I felt like it helped the freckles actually tie in more together instead of just being a patch of hearts on my cheeks. But I did keep the ones on my nose a little bit smaller than the ones I put on my cheeks. So now the only thing we have left to do is lips. I'm just going to go in with that same Kylie shade that I used for my darker hearts. Again, is in the shade Head Over Heels. Alright, just a little bit of my Morphe setting spray and we're done. Alright guys, that is it. Hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and that you live for this look as much as I do, because if you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I mean, really, like, I'll wait. I'll just click it. Alright guys, that's it. Now I will see you next time.